Bonjour mes étudiants, good morning children. Today we are going to continue with our lesson 4, lesson 4, les adjectives, the adjective. It is another grammar topic in this chapter. So let's start. Now children, what is an adjective? An adjective is a describing noun. An adjective describes a noun. For example, a sweet cake. In this, sweet is an adjective and cake is a noun. Same way, a round ball. In this, round is an adjective and ball is a noun. Now let's learn what is an adjective in French. The adjectives in French are used in masculine or feminine and singular or plural form according to the noun for which they have been used. That means in French, the adjective agrees with the noun it qualifies. Let's see some examples for the better understanding. Petit garçon. Now, children, garçon means a boy. Petit means short. Now, petit garçon. Now, garçon is a masculine gender. That is why the adjective would also be masculine. In this, if a noun is masculine, the adjective becomes masculine. If a noun is feminine, the adjective becomes feminine too. Because garçon is a masculine gender, we will write down the adjective also in the masculine form without adding anything. So, petit garçon. Next is an example, petite fille means a small girl. Now, in this, because girl is a feminine gender, we will add one e to petit to make the adjective also feminine. So, here the noun is also feminine and the adjective also feminine by adding one e to it. So, this is petite fille means a small girl. Let's see some more example. Petit garçon. Now, because here the boys is plural, we have added one s to petit to make the adjective also plural. Now, you can see by adding s to the adjective, we have made the adjective also plural, same way as the noun is also plural. So, petit garçon, we have added one s to petit. Next is petite fille. Now in this you can see it is feminine plus it is plural because there are more than one girl. So petite fille, in this petite we will add one e because it is a feminine gender, and we will add one s because here there is more than one girl. So petite fille, small girls. The feminine of the adjective is generally formed by adding e to the masculine adjective. Now, children, what happens? Now, everyone know here that in French, if we want to make any word feminine, we add one e. Same way, to change the adjective into feminine form, an e is added to the masculine form. Let's see some example. Grand, grande. Now you can see I have added one E to here to make it feminine. Grand means tall or big. Petit, petite. We have added one E again. Petite means small or short. Jolie, jolie. Again we have added one E. Jolie means pretty. Intelligent. We have added one E to make it feminine. Intelligent. Again it has become feminine by adding one E to it. Lay, lathe. Again, we have added one E to make it feminine. Lay and lathe means ugly. So, this is the way you're going to convert the adjectives into feminine form. The adjectives ending with E doesn't change in the feminine form. Now, children, the adjectives which are already ending with E in the masculine form, we will not change them in the feminine form, but it will remain same. Let's see some examples. Men's. Now you can see it is already ending with E, so we are not going to change this in the feminine form. It will remain same. Men's here means slim or thin. Next, fable. Now children, fable also is ending with E, so it will remain same in the feminine form. Fable means weak. Next, sympathique. Sympathique, again it's ending with E, so it will remain same. Sympathique means kind. Next, antipathique. Antipathique, because it is again ending with E, it will remain same in the feminine form. Antipathique means unkind. Now there are some exceptions, children, in the adjectives too. Now what are the meaning of exceptions? You already know that doesn't belong to the rule. Now here exceptions means the adjectives which completely change in the feminine form. That means you just have to learn them. You just have to keep it in the mind that they completely change in the feminine form. Let's see some examples. Bon, which means good, becomes bun in feminine form. We have to add one N and E to it. Next, gentil. Gentil means gentle. Now, in jaunty, how are you going to make it feminine? By adding one more L and E to it to become feminine form. So it has become genteel. Next, beau, which means handsome. Now, beau completely changes to belle in the feminine form. Beau means handsome and belle means beautiful. Next, grow, which means fat. Now, grow, to make it feminine form, we will add one more S and E to it. So these are the exceptions which you have to learn them. Next, to change the adjectives into plural form, we add an S to the masculine and the feminine singular form. Now, everyone knows here that to make any word into plural form in French, we add one S. Same way in adjectives also we have to add one S to the masculine form or to the singular form. Let's see some example. Now you can see the examples of both masculine and feminine. Let's see the first one, grand. Now to make grand plural, we have added one S to it. Now grand feminine. Again, to make this also as plural, we have added one S to it. So it has become grand, grand. Children, make sure that whenever we add one S to the plural form, we don't pronounce that S of the plural form. Next example, petit, masculine. We have added one S to make it plural, petit. Next, petite, feminine. Now to make this petite feminine as plural form, we have added again one S to it. Now, if an adjective is already ending with S in the singular form, then it will not change in the plural form and it will remain same. Now, children, in French, if an adjective is already ending with S in the singular form, then we will not add one more S to it. Instead, we will make it remain same. So let's see some example. Grow, which means fat. Now, grow is already ending with S. To make it plural, we will not add anything and it will remain same as grow. If an adjective is ending with EAU in the singular form, then we are not going to add S to make it plural, but we will add one X to make it plural. Now children, generally we add S to make any adjective into plural form. But if any word in French, if any adjective in French is ending with EAU, then what we are going to do is we are going to add an X in the end to make it plural. And again, that X will not be pronounced. Let's see an example. Beau. Now, beau means handsome. Everyone knows. Now, to make beau plural, you can see here that it is ending with EAU. To make it plural, we will not add S, but an X to make it plural. Thank you so much, children.